Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you're looking for a job as an electrician, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a professional and effective job application letter for an electrician position. If you're applying for a role in residential, commercial, or industrial electrical work, this guide will help you craft a strong, convincing letter that will grab the hiring manager's attention. I'll walk you through a well-written sample letter, breaking down each part so you understand what to write, why it matters, and how to make your application stand out. Let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the very top of the letter, you should always include your personal details. This helps the employer easily identify you and reach out to schedule an interview. Here's how it looks in our example. David Reynolds, 4128 Elmwood Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona, 85016. Email, david.reynolds@email.com. Phone, 602-5558942. Now let's break it down. Your full name goes on the first line. This makes it clear who is applying. Your full address comes next, showing that you're in the same city or area as the job location. This is especially important for electricians, as companies often prefer hiring locally. Your email address. This should look professional. Avoid using informal or outdated email addresses. Your phone number. This is the quickest way for a hiring manager to reach you for an interview. Including all this information at the top makes it easy for the employer to contact you. Step 2. The date of the letter. The next thing you need to add is the date when you're submitting the letter. In this case, we write February 26, 2025. Adding the date is important because it tells the employer when you sent your application. This is useful for tracking and sorting applications, especially if the company receives many applicants for the position. Always make sure the date is accurate and up to date. Step 3. The employer's contact information. Now, we include the employer's details to make sure the letter is addressed properly. In our example, we have Hiring Manager, Bright Sparks Electrical Services, 2679 Sunset Boulevard, Phoenix, Arizona, 85021. Let's go over this step by step. The first line addresses the hiring manager. If you know their name, it's always best to use it, like Dear Mr. Smith. But if you don't, hiring manager works fine. The second line is the company name, making it clear where you're applying. The last line is the company's full address, which adds a formal touch. Adding these details makes your application look professional and well-structured. Step 4. The subject line, clearly stating your purpose. A subject line is a simple but important detail that tells the employer exactly why you're writing. Here we write, Subject, Application for Electrician Position. This is short and to the point. When writing your own letter, make sure the subject includes the job title you're applying for, any reference number if the company provided one. For example, if the job posting included a reference code, you could write Application for Electrician Position, Ref. AZE-1025. This helps HR departments sort applications faster, increasing your chances of getting noticed. Step 5. The salutation, addressing the hiring manager. Next, you need to greet the person reviewing your application. Our letter says, Dear Hiring Manager. This is a formal and professional greeting. But if you know the hiring manager's name, it's always better to personalize it. For example, Dear Mr. Johnson, avoid generic greetings like to whom it may concern. They sound impersonal. If you're not sure who to address, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe choice. Step 6. The opening paragraph, introducing yourself. The first paragraph should introduce yourself, state the position you're applying for, and highlight your key qualifications. In our letter, it says, I am excited to apply for the electrician position at Bright Sparks Electrical Services. With over 8 years of hands-on experience in residential and commercial electrical systems, I have developed expertise in installations, troubleshooting, and maintenance. My technical skills, combined with my commitment to safety and efficiency, make me a strong candidate for this role. Let's break this down. The first sentence clearly states your intention, that you're applying for the electrician position. The second sentence highlights your years of experience and the areas you specialize in, such as residential and commercial electrical work. The last sentence emphasizes your technical skills and dedication to safety, which are crucial qualities in an electrician. This paragraph is straightforward and impactful, making the hiring manager want to keep reading. Step 7. The second paragraph, highlighting your skills and experience. The second paragraph provides more details about your experience and qualifications. In my previous role at Desert Power Solutions, I was responsible for installing wiring, diagnosing electrical faults, and ensuring compliance with NEC codes. I have extensive experience working with circuit breakers, lighting systems, and industrial control panels. Additionally, I hold a journeyman electrician license and have completed OSHA safety training. My ability to work independently and collaboratively has allowed me to successfully complete projects on time and within budget. This paragraph adds more depth and credibility by mentioning the previous employer and key responsibilities, highlighting technical skills such as wiring, diagnosing faults, and working with control panels, listing certifications like the Journeyman Electrician License and OSHA safety training, which add to your qualifications, demonstrating your ability to work independently and in a team, which is important for electrical work. When writing your own application, be sure to include specific skills and certifications that match the job requirements. Step 8. The closing paragraph, expressing interest and requesting an interview. Now, it's time to wrap up the letter in a professional and confident way. I am eager to bring my skills and dedication to Bright Sparks Electrical Services and contribute to your team. I welcome the opportunity to discuss how my experience aligns with your company's needs. Please feel free to contact me at 602-555-8942 or david.reynolds@email.com to schedule an interview. This paragraph does 3 important things: expresses enthusiasm for the job, encourages the employer to schedule an interview, provides contact information again for easy follow-up. Step 9. The closing and signature. Finally, we end with, "Sincerely, David Reynolds." Sincerely is a professional closing statement. Other good options include, "Best regards," "Respectfully." And that's how you write a strong electrician job application letter. I hope this breakdown makes it easier for you to write your own letter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.